I'm going to give the quick presentation on my career path. My name is Nisha Taylor. My student ID is 21203852. And my course is a graduate diploma in hospitality management. Second slide, please. Alright, this is my career path in front office management in my Hilton Hotel. I would like to start from a receptionist post in my Hilton Hotel. After 3 years, if I get a good experience, I would like to see myself as a general manager. And after that, again 2 years after, I would like to see myself as a manager. Next slide, please. My contract type. My contract type will be the part-time work for a receptionist. It is because I'm not very because I haven't tried working. I don't have any experience of working before anywhere. Full-time work for the general manager, because if the general manager will work for the full time, they will get a good experience. They will meet a new client, new person, and they will make a new experiences. Same as about for the general manager, for the manager also, it's going to be like same. They will also get a chance to meet a new person. So full-time work for the general manager and manager, both of them. Selection and recruitment. Okay, selection and recruitment plays is a very important role in the receptionist post in or any other firms. Basically, they're giving the advertisement into the newspaper. Newspaper is a thing where the person is the source where the person can reach. Yeah. So by giving in the advertisement into the paper that so and so hotel or anyone have a vacancy or anything, so they can apply for it. Then sending an appointment later to the employee. Now many firms organize many interviews. Like some of them firms are having like 3 rounds of interview. Some of them are having 5 rounds, and some of them are having 7 rounds of interview. In that they are including like say individual test. Then they have a group test, and then have an aptitude test, and so ever. Giving them proper training. Look, now I'm starting from a very beginning. I don't have any experience working in a receptionist line anywhere else. So if I'm going to start myself, I will start. They need to give me a proper training, like how to talk to the client, how to book how to check in, how to check out. And it's for me, but for the other person who is already working, who have already experience in a certain field, if they are coming from a different hotel or anything, they have an experience of their proper company, so they need to learn all the rules and regulation according to the particular company in which they are going to work. Next slide, please. Then the learning and development. Learning and development also plays a very important role in this firm, like this activity, reflection, theory building, planning how to put into the practice. Activity plays a very important role, that how active you are and how actively you are working. Reflection is a thing where you are giving the training to the trainer, yeah, and how they are and how you are supplying your message to them. And theory building. If you are giving the theory to them, it should be easy to understand. For them, they should not find it very difficult to understand. And planning how to put into the practice. When they are on the ground for the practice and all, they should feel free in the environment. They should practice in the free environment. In short, I want to say. Next slide, please. Then appraiser employee evaluation. Like growth of appraisal, giving increment, giving good facilities. Like growth of appraisal, some of them are working from a very long time for a particular company, then they are getting lots of benefits, like by giving them increment, by giving them good facility. If you are working for a reputed firm, they do have certain facilities. Say for example, they have a pickup facility and drop facility. Then giving increment. If you are working good, then they give you an increment. So like a bonus types and everything. So then the employee also feel like to work hard. Next slide, please. Then exit strategy, like good communication skill, polite in talk, positive attitude, friendly nature, and knowledge of language. Well, this is very important when you are going to work anywhere in any industry, in any firm. Like good communication skill, you should be very polite. You should have an excellent word of communication. Positive attitude. It should not be like you are very arrogant when you are talking to the opposite person. They shouldn't feel like that you are very arrogant. You have a very in short, it should be a down to earth. Then the friend in nature. You should be professional, but the opposite client should not feel that, oh, she is full professional, or she is not giving a proper idea. Whatever they are asking for information or anything, you should supply them information very easily so that they can understand. It should be easy to understand in easy language which they can understand. Then the knowledge of language. Minimum, at least wherever you're going to work in any firm, at least you should have a knowledge of 3 languages. That is called French, English, and the Hindi. Wherever you go to work. So because the hotel is an industry where people are coming to visit and they come to stay there. So it is very important that English is the first language for everyone. Hindi is also basically for the other country, and the French is also. So knowledge of language is much important, so that the opposite person should not feel that it should not be barriers of communication. That's it. Next. That's it. Thank you.